What?
So guys,
all these bass splash around when we aren't throwing poles and lures in the water.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
hey guys, Envious Bassin here, and I wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about the giveaway. If y'all stick around towards the end of the video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about it. But as of right now, we are doing a 3. Did you see that?
No. What was it?
A bass.
No, I haven't even painted
About the size of a football.
I've been painting his right here.
But guys, we are doing a 3-person giveaway. So there's not going to be 1, 2, but 3 winners.
Price.
So, y'all stick around. We are going to be talking about what the next giveaway is going to be. We're going to talk about when the next giveaway is going to be, and we're going to talk about what you have to do to win. So y'all stick around. I can't see nothing because my glasses are fogged up. Hey guys, Envious Bassin here. So we have been fishing. It is about 7:45 right now. We are gonna go ahead and I think we're gonna go change spots real quick, see what we can find. If there's anything, I don't know, better, because it's been raining all day today, and normally it'd be pretty good, but considering that there were about 20 people out there in our fishing spot, I said no sir, I ain't messing with it today. So we are, I think we're gonna go try one of our other ponds that we haven't been kicked out of yet. But look at this, hold on, look at this. Look at, let me just, it's beautiful today. I mean, it's not too bad after all the rain. There's a couple of places we can try. I really wish that we could fish in this place right here across the road from us. It's all private property right there. Nobody can fish there. Literally, nobody. So, there's like a huge lake back there that is illegal to fish in. It's awesome. But y'all guys, we are going to be doing a giveaway here pretty soon. I am waiting on my reel to come in, and we are going to be giving away a Lew's Mach 1 for the first prize winner. And we're going to have 3 prize winners here, guys. It's not just some cheap little giveaway. We're going all out. We're going to do 100 likes, 100 comments, and 150 subs, and there will be a winner named. So y'all stick around and stay tuned. Got it.
Oh, it's a baby one.
That hook said though.
For a fish that big. That's a chunky little thing though.
Dude, it was because I hung up. I could see. Do you see the line start moving?
Yeah.
That's why I said it.
Hey, That's a pet bass right there. That thing could have swam off of that. Let me see.
That's the
That's just babies.
biggest
Backflipping.
fish of my life.
What the?
So guys,
All these bass splash around when we aren't throwing poles and lures in the water. God didn't want us to fish today. He didn't want us to catch anything.
hey guys, so it is about 8:30 or so right now, and we came out here to do some fishing. We changed our spots, and really, I mean, we caught like a big fat goose egg, like 3 whole fish today, but you know, it's not too bad. I mean, I honestly, I really can't complain because it's a beautiful day outside, and I was blessed to have another day of fishing. So honestly, I don't really know what all I can say about, well, yeah, we didn't catch anything really. Nothing worth bragging about, I promise.
Nope.
But one thing I can guarantee you is I had a great time doing it. So to me, that's all that really matters. And I just, you know, can't be more thankful for the time that I have on this earth. And you know, it's, yeah, times get hard and everything, but you know, there's not a whole lot that we can say that, hey, you know, life sucks. I mean, yeah, some people have a bad turn of events in their life, but guys, honestly, get out and fish. If that's all you do in life, is get out and fish. Or, you know, some of y'all are gonna move on to be professional anglers possibly, or some of y'all are gonna be bankers or lawyers or accountants. Dude, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you keep fishing. That's all you gotta do. Come on, fish. Right, B?
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do is fish.
I'm into baseball, and I fish.
He's into baseball.